There's nothing we can do about the root balls, so we're just going to leave it. It's resting on two main trunks. You can see the one embedded in the dirt. That's the primary resting point. What we can do is excavate here under the trunk. We can dig down here 2 feet and give a little more clearance for people to climb under. We will flatten the tread here, take this slope, flatten it. So here's the main resting point right there in the dirt. You see the fracture here. That's going to break one of these days. And it might settle a bit, but I kind of doubt it. Everything's resting here. So that's going to have to stay. And we looked at using explosives. Look at the size of that. We would have to get maybe 150 pounds of Tovex to break that apart, which also means closing the trail for a week, 2 weeks, while we wait for everything to settle after the explosions. We're not willing to do that. I don't know if we could tie up hotshot crew all day doing multiple explosions on this to break it up, so we're not even going to look at that. All we can do is leave it in place. We've mitigated a lot of the hazards.